Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, I have never done an empties video in my life. Every time I've thought about doing one, I've forgotten or thrown stuff in the bin. So over the past couple of weeks, I've been slowly collecting things and reminding myself not to throw things in the bin. You do it out of habit, isn't it? It's finished, throw it in the bin, get out a new one, whatever. So I've been slowly collecting them. So, ooh, that's quite a lot of things. Emptied it out here. So I'm going to go through them quickly, one by one, just to show you. A lot of them actually happens to be MAC. I think I've been collecting them to back to MAC stuff. So that's why there's quite a lot of MAC. So anyway, first one, Studio Fix powder in NC40. This is what I have used for a very long time to set my foundation. And as you can see, it's finished, finito. So that's one. I don't use it so much as I used to, but I've still got quite a few. So there's another one. And another one, so that's three of the same thing. So as you can see, I used to love it quite a lot to set my foundation, especially because it's got a slight hint of colour to it as well, which is obviously my skin tone. My Airspun powder by Coty. This is finally the first one that I finished after buying 1,000,001 when I was in New York. This one here is about to finish. I brought it into the video because I thought it's going to finish in the next couple of days, so let me sneak it in while I'm here. It's the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. You guys have seen me use it in so many different videos, so you know that I love it. And it's finally finished. These two concealers, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealers in the shade Creamy Beige and Pure Beige. I know it doesn't look like they're finished, but trust me, they are. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. My shade is in 108 Caramel Beige. This is finally finished. I've got a few backups of this because you can't buy this shade in the UK. So when I've been to Canada and America a couple of times over the past 2-3 years, I have restocked these all the time. This is a foundation by MAC. It's the Pro Longwear SPF 20 foundation in the shade NC40. It's their compact foundation. Now, even though it's in there, it's actually gone hard. It's gone hard. Firstly, the colour was too light for me, and then I just kind of left it and forgot about it. So when I do back to MAC it, I'm going to basically just scrape it all out and then just bin it. But we can call it an empty. It's not going to be used. This one I actually finished the other day. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. It's actually gone right to the bottom. I know you can't tell. And I was too lazy to put a bit of oil in it to loosen up the bits on the end. I just opened up a brand new one. So this one is finished. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35, finished. As you can see, I know it's because it's been on its side, that's why you can see some of the product here, but when I squeeze it, nothing actually comes out, so it's finished. This one here is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. My shade is in 153, which is Y405. If I wind it up, you can see just a tiny little bit on the end, but the thing is I have to like dig it into my skin, and I just don't have the patience, so I just called it finished and opened up a new one. I actually finished this the other day. This is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, which I use every single morning as part of my skincare routine. I've got about 5-6 backups of these, so this one finishes quite quickly because I use it so often. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. My shade here is in C7. I used this so much when it first came out. It's completely finished. I love it. Another concealer is this one from Colourpop. It's their No Filter Concealers. I think this is in the shade Medium. I've got 3 Prep and Primes in the shade Light Boost. They're the highlighters from MAC. They are all completely finished. Let me just double check. Because you know how it is with some of these products where you can't see, you can't get to them. Yeah, no, it's finished. Just making sure. Another MAC product is the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This shade is in NC42. Love this. Love this. For the summer months, it's excellent. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Enigma, finished. This Duo Glue, the dark tone one, finished. This is a MAC lipstick. It's one of their, what is it called? Sheen Supreme lipsticks. This shade is Phosphorus. Finished, down to the nub. It's very, very creamy and very gloss-like. You've got to reapply it about 10 times a day. Same with this one. This is in the shade Pheromonal, I think it says. Pheromonal, again, down to the bottom because you have to reapply it so much that it just finishes easily. NYC Liquid Liner, my favourite eyeliner. My mum restocked and bought me 100 when she was in Canada recently from Walmart. So this one finished recently. I use it every single day. This is so old school. Do you guys remember the MAC D Squared collection? I bet some of you don't even know what that is. But this is a grease paint stick in the shade V, which is basically, it's a greasy base, you can call it. And this is like a deep purple shade. So that was finished. And then also another grease paint stick. And this is in the shade, I don't know because it doesn't say. Let's see. Looks black to me. So that's finished. Got a lot of Back to MAC stuff here. And last but not least is this Rapid Black Penultimate Eyeliner from MAC. It's dried up and it's finished. Oh, not last but not least. This is last but not least. My primer water, which you guys know I go through so much. I've got like 4 or 5 backups in my house, but I use it every single day. And that's it. I feel so much better about myself. Let's see. Anything else hiding around, lying around? Nope, nope. That's it. So these are all my empties, which I was very happy to share with you guys. I know, like a lot of you guys, you don't tend to go through eyeshadows and blush palettes and things like that and highlighter palettes very quickly. These are the kind of things that a lot of them are day to day, where you use them every single day, so you tend to restock them quite a lot. But if you guys like, I will get rid of all this stuff and then start a brand new fresh empties bag, so that hopefully maybe in another couple of months I can do another one for you guys. What do you think? What else can I say? On my lips today, I'm wearing Makeup Revolution's Pro Supreme Lip Pigment in the shade Imagine. I have got foundation all over my white collar because that's life for people who wear foundation. And that's it. So I hope you guys are wonderful and great. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.